Hi, and welcome to my video for MG number 6. These are pretty easy. It's all adding, no negative numbers. You can multiply if you want, so you'll figure that out, but you don't have to. This is just adding up the sides. The only trap you can fall into is not paying attention, adding things that aren't sides. That's about it. Just add correctly and you got it. So first, know that any squares, rectangles, or parallelograms, and this is a parallelogram, the opposite sides are opposite to each other are equal. So 12 meters is the distance of this side. So the opposite side is equal to it. 9 right here, this side right here is 9 meters long, so the side opposite of it is 9 meters long. 6 meters here, this is the height. It's not a side, you don't use it at all. That's the one of the traps you can fall into, is you're adding a side that doesn't belong. And it looks, the reason why they do this is because it looks a lot like the area problems where you would need the 6 and you would ignore the 9. And they're going to be all mixed up with each other in the test. Like you might have like 2 area and then a perimeter problem and another area problem. And if you're just going too fast because they all look the same, like, oh, they're all area problems, you might get a really easy question wrong just by going too fast. That ordering of questions is also a trap that can be set before you actually read the problem. So read the problem. If you read all the problems carefully, every set of instructions, there's no way you're going to miss one of these wrong. Because they're so easy. Perimeter is adding up all the sides. Once we've labeled all the sides with their links, we add them up. So 9 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12, the 4 sides. We add those all up and we should get 42 meters, and that's it. We're done. Next example. Number 2, label and add. So opposite sides, and add. So 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, going to equal 28, and inches, and that's it, 28 inches long. Finally, number 3 here. It's a triangle, it's perimeter, and it's no different. This is not a side, don't worry about it. Add up the sides. You don't even need a label, and they've done them for you. That could happen on the test. So 9 plus 9 plus 12 equals 30 yards. And then finally, we have number 4 down at the bottom. Again, they've labeled all of us. We do have a useless piece of information. It's not a side, so you don't add it for perimeter. So 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 18. And your final answer is going to be 45. Oh, sorry, meters. That's it. There's really no other tricks. Otherwise, just be careful with the questions asking you. Don't use any numbers that you don't need to. There's often going to be one that you don't need. Don't accidentally put it in there. And that's it. Go ahead and start your practice. Thank you.